Hello and welcome back, dear students. So let's see today's next two questions for the NEET practice in physics on the topic units and measurements. For ye may all prophesy one by one, that all may learn, and all may be comforted. The first question: if error in measurement of radius of a sphere is 1%, what will be the error in measurement of volume? A. 0.01, B. 1/3%, C. 0.03, D. None. What's the answer? Now let's find out the answer. The volume of the sphere V equals 4 divided by 3 pi r squared. Therefore percent error in V equals 3 into percent error in R equals 3 into 1%, which is equals 3%, which is equals 0.03. So the correct option is C. Now let's go to the second question. The density of a cube is measured by measuring its mass and length of its sides. If the maximum error in the measurement of mass and length are 4% and 3% respectively, the maximum error in the measurement of density will be A. 9%, B. 13%, C. 12%, D. 7%. Find the answer. Now let's see it. Density, ρ, equals mass divided by volume equals m divided by L cubed. Doctor divided by ρ into 100 equals delta m divided by m into 100 plus 3 delta L divided by L into 100. Substitute the values. You get 4% plus 3 into 3%, which is equals 13%. So the correct option is B. Okay, watch and solve the previous videos of our YouTube channel also. Thank you.